Have you noticed something strange? Your money just doesn't go as far as it used to. Gas is more expensive. Groceries cost more. Rent keeps rising. But your paycheck still looks the same. Why is that happening? Is someone stealing your money? Nope. It's called inflation. And once you understand it, the world makes a lot more sense. Let's make it super simple. Today, $1 buys you a chocolate bar. Next year, that same bar costs $1.20, but you still only have $1. Now you can't afford it. That's inflation. Inflation means prices go up over time and your money buys less. Your money isn't broken, it's just losing power. So why does this happen? If a country prints a lot of money, but we're not making more things to buy, then each dollar becomes less special. More dollars, same stuff. Prices go up. If gas, rent, or materials cost more, companies raise their prices. They still want profit, so you pay the extra. If people think prices will rise, they ask for higher pay. Businesses pay more and raise prices again. It's a cycle, like a hamster wheel. Is all inflation bad? Nope. A little inflation is okay. It helps the economy grow, it keeps money moving, but too much inflation, that's when your money gets weak and everything feels too expensive. What about the opposite? Deflation. Deflation means prices go down. Sounds good, right? But it can be worse. People stop spending, businesses stop earning, jobs disappear. So, a little inflation is actually a good thing. The goal is to keep inflation just right. Not too fast, not too slow. That way, your money stays strong and the economy stays healthy. Now you understand inflation better than most people. Seriously. So if this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple explainers, and share this with someone who's always confused by money stuff, because understanding boring things might just make your life way better.